So I want to show you a more in-depth look at all the different pieces that you have with this thing, because I've seen lots of videos of these things being useful in various ways, but they don't really go into depth of all the different bits you get. So first of all, you get 3 of these pieces that attach to the ratchet piece, and those can be attached in various ways if you need to, basically all around this thing. So yeah, you have 3 of those to attach however you need, and then you can attach the various bits then to any of those. Oh, it goes this way. There we go. However you need to attach them, they can be attached like that. So that's that piece. I want to show you all these other pieces too, though, because that's really what a lot of the videos don't show, is the various other pieces and how many you get and what all they can do. So you have several bits. So you have screwdrivers, several of those. There's some flatheads as well. And then you have some interesting ones. Got another screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver there. But I don't even know what this thing is. Maybe you know, or have a use for it. So you got some various interesting ones. They're really, really small. Looks like a hex of some kind. And some larger hexes. Then on this side, you have more screwdrivers. And then you also have some star ones. And some smaller stars. And then these kind of bolt-shaped ones. And T5. And these are all labeled, so you can very easily find what you're looking for when you need it. And then there's also some more Phillips. This is a flathead, I believe. And another one of these funky ones, which I'm not sure what that is. But it's there if you need it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you more specifically all the different heads that you get, all the bits. So hope that helps you know if it's something that you want to buy.